This is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here at Devoxx UK talking to members of the Java community, and I've got Richard Warburton with me here. Hey, Richard.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Good to see you. You are so active in the community. There's so many things you're doing. It's just amazing. Let us catch up a little bit about what you do in the Java community.
So I'm a member of the London Java community, which is just broken about 4,000 members or so now recently. So
congratulations, well done.
It's going great. Credit to there's loads of people involved, so credit to everyone involved on organising things. One of the things I do there is kind of help out organise on some of the OpenJDK hack days. So we help developers kind of get into the spirit of OpenJDK, build and test and understand some of the code that's involved there and see what's going on a bit more in core Java. We've also helped run a few adopt sessions for different, new specifications that come along.
Right.
So things which, were involved in the SEA 8 release were, date and time we helped out with a little bit on, and we ran a few hack days and trial sessions around Lambdas to try and test out the API and prototype that kind of things. And we also, in the LJC, run just a whole load of talks on a weekly basis.
All the time, right?
Yeah.
That's great.
One a week, sometimes more than one a week.
That's excellent. And I know the adopted JDK stuff that you did was really valuable feedback, so thank you very much.
No problem.
It was to all involved. That's really cool. So you did a session?
Yes, I did a session earlier today talking about functional programming and object-oriented programming, talking about the similarities, how there's kind of both of them end up solving similar problems, and also introducing some of the new Java 8 features and some of those kind of ideas of how you kind of end up with more of a hybrid language that brings things together.
Right, and I heard it was SRO, right? Standing room only?
Yes,
lots of interest.
Room was packed, standing room at the back. We had, it was quite a fun talk. Some good laughs in there, and we had a couple of people in the front row who were eating popcorn whilst it was going on. So that was good to see.
So it was entertaining. Excellent. Yeah. So you're working on a book, or you finished a book, right?
The book's out there, released. So I'm very happy that it's that it's released.
And the title is
Java 8 Lambdas by O'Reilly Media.
Okay.
And that's in the bookshelves, available at all good bookstores.
Good.
And also online, ebook type thing. We did a book signing yesterday afternoon, which seemed to be packed, which was thanks as well to the Java community process for sponsoring the book signing yesterday, which was really good fun. But it's great to see just a whole line of really enthusiastic people looking forward to playing around with Lambdas and learning a little bit more about that kind of thing.
So as a Java developer, what's a key thing I have to understand about Lambdas?
The key thing?
A key thing. There's a lot out there, I'm sure.
Yeah, there's a lot. I think probably the key thing that that makes it easier to do now is parameterize things by behavior. So a lot of time, traditionally, we end up having methods or classes which take in parameters which have some specific value, and that lets you get a certain level of flexibility or a certain level of genericity in your code. But being able to pass in Lambdas, being able to pass in behavior in a really easy and concise way means you can write libraries which are just much better. And the Streams API in the core of Java 8 is a good example of this, but it's not the only thing you can do. There's lots more you can do in your own code as well. So
once you start understanding Lambdas, then you start leaning into Streams and go, wow, this is cool, right?
Yeah.
That's what I keep hearing. So Java 8's pretty exciting. And you're a busy guy. You're doing some other things, right? Tell me.
Yeah. I've partnered up with Raul as well and James Goff, and we're going to be running some Java 8 training sessions as well. So
excellent.
If you're interested in that kind of thing, professional training on the new Java 8 features, come and talk to me at some point. So that'd be great.
Excellent. So thank you, and I love your enthusiasm and activity in the Java community, you and the LJC.
Thanks.
It's pretty amazing, and I love what you guys are doing here in London, and thanks for dropping by.
Thanks. It was a pleasure.
Great. This is Tori with the Oracle Technology Network.